Tonight, both the governor and state attorney general are planning to appeal a Syracuse federal judge's decision to put a hold on key provisions of the state's new gun law.
They have 3 business days to file it and stop Judge Glenn Sotheby from throwing out much of the law. His decision says the state cannot require a gun applicant to meet with a licensing officer in person, can't ask for phone numbers of people who live with the person seeking a gun, or ask for social media accounts belonging to the applicant. The judge also won't allow the state to ban guns in some sensitive locations like Times Square, but the ban would continue for places like schools, government buildings, and places of worship. News Channel 9's Madison Moore live tonight at the Federal Building in downtown Syracuse. Madison, how far through the courts could this go?
Well, Jeff, a nationally recognized mass shooting expert, Dr. Jacqueline Shilkraut of SUNY Oswego, says it has the potential to go to the Supreme Court if the case is able to pose a big enough constitutional question to set a national precedent. Now, what she does know is the role that social media can play in identifying people's intentions to commit acts of violence before they do so. And handing over social media accounts before receiving a pistol permit is part of the new state gun laws that Judge Glenn Sotheby ruled against, saying he believes these rules went too far.
Certainly, we know with the recent case in Buffalo back in May of this year that particular individual was posting his intentions on social media quite frequently, if not daily. So the sort of impetus behind that part of the legislation was, to make sure that if somebody is actively posing a threat and making that known in public, that can be captured before they were to acquire a firearm.
Dr. Shilkraut also commenting on these sensitive locations that Judge Sotheby said were unconstitutional to bring firearms into, such as Times Square. She says actually bringing firearms into heavily condensed population areas like Times Square can actually increase the potential for bystander casualties in the event of a shooting, which she said actually happened in 2012 during a shooting at the Empire State Building. Live in downtown Syracuse, Madison Moore, News Channel 9.
And you can take a closer look at today's ruling on the state's gun laws posted at localspr.com.